Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, scroll down again, click on Vibration and Haptics, and tap on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decide to turn them on, you can also adjust all of those options below it. By tapping on this switcher next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually, you can enable or disable this option for incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Adaptive Alert Vibration to switch on or off vibrations for your notifications and alarms. By swiping left or right on all of those sliders though, you can adjust haptics intensity for all of those options: ringtone, notifications, alarms, touch feedback, and media. When you finished, go back. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!